Hi guys, this is Debbie from Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and thank you so much for dropping by. Today we're going to be adding some eyes to a little crocheted amigurumi, I think that's how you say it, unicorn. The pattern I got from Red Heart yarn, and the eyes we're using are actually from BeeBeecraft. I did have a little trouble with these at one point. I think that the backs are the holes are a little bit small, so I did have some trouble getting them in there, but using it all was fine to get it widened up a little bit. So what you basically do is you stick the pointy end from one of the eyes through one of the holes in your crochet fabric that you created, and you pop the back on. You do have to squeeze pretty hard to get it to snap, but once you get it on there, it looks so cute on the finished product. So after I had finished doing this part, I of course did go ahead and excuse me, finish crocheting the rest of the project, and I'll let you see a couple pictures of the head once it's done, and then again of that final little crocheted animal. He's just so darn cute. It's one of my favorite projects I've worked on, so I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.